Why not? Last one of that. And let's leave the church. Alright, so I think I figured something out. This guy who's locked, I think the way to get to the locked criminal is to... Oh god, where's it? No, it's not that. It's not that either. Oh, where is it? I can't find it. Ah, the cases. If you do all of the cases, you eventually get to the final locked character, perhaps. I think that might explain quite a few things. But before we do that, we should go for the penguin. Oh god, stupid weapon caches. Okay, I'm not doing that. Let's go for a bird. Let's get him. The bird. Okay, he is very far away. Fast travel. Go, go, go. Whoa. Go. Alright, we're pretty much there.
I need to break up that fight and secure the chemicals.
Oh. Secure the chemicals? What? There's nothing here. Okay, maybe I would have to do that. Holy shit.
Ready to for you.
Fuck, he got me. Okay, all too easy. Look at the size of this fight, it's insane. Holy shit. Oh, someone finally got me. Fuck. No.
He's too strong.
No, come on. I hate those fucking knives, man.
I've been looking for a good scrap. There is no place for you here.
Missed. You mad, bro? How mad are you? What? I told my guy to actually... Oh my god. Actually, I should have an attack order, it didn't work. It's so weird. Please die.
I will never stop attacking.
Can't be many of these guys left. No, there's not. Get wrecked. Dudes, sit down.
What's in the canister?
A gift for El Jefe. One of many.
Where are the others?
I will say no more.
Brother, we are at the point, but the Duende Cobblepot has sent you men to oppose us. You must come.
I have what I need.
Okay. Now where do we go? All the way up there, really? Fair enough. Go here. Oh, I can't. No, I can. Okay, I fast travel to here, then unlock the other two fast travel points. I can do that. Go.
I need any unassigned unit for special assignment. Stand by.
And keep going. Oh yeah. Oh my god, this pace.
What's this? It's them. I see
Dive,
them.
dive, dive. And I'm gone. Nah, bros, I'm gone. Shit, I wasted my time. Go, go, go. A lot of guys inside here. Holy shit. Oh, hello. Might as well grab it.
This looks like the spot. Now to find that canister.
Oh my god. Shit, I got hit. Oh no. No. Stay away.
You are a fool.
Oh my god.
And danger.
Holy shit. Fuck. Always the knife guys. I still don't know how to dodge them. Despite completing the game. Oh my god. Shit. Whoa, that guy almost got me.
I will kill you.
Holy shit.
Wanna run?
Oh yeah. Boom.
Takes courage.
Where's the can?
I know where it is. I don't need to talk to him, I can see it.
I need to find out where they've taken them.
It's right there.
May I suggest scanning
Oh,
the area?
no it's not.
They could have left something behind that points to their destination.
Yeah, this. Really? Not that? What? Yeah, of course. What?
Looks like they're heading
Cocaine.
to my alibi.
They're going where? Okay. That is fast travel time. Alright, time to take down this bird guy. Straight above them. Good.
We got trouble.
Oh shit, get out there. Well, it was a good dive. Okay, let's go over here, get a better view. Not sure what I'm trying to do here. Disruptor works at this range. Drop attack.
Hey, get that freak. Rumble.
Come at me, bitches. Oh shit. Get wrecked. Boom. And done. So efficient now. Do I go inside? I think I do. Hello? Is anyone home? Some kind of nightclub. This reminds me of Hitman Absolution all of a sudden. I think this is locked, yeah. Wub 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 wub. What?
Fine, you want the club? It's yours. But when the boss finds out about this, he will stay away if he values his life. Ah! The bat! You have come as Bane said you would. Fly down from your perch then, so I can kill you.
I thought you'd never ask.
Oh, okay, alright.
Slow him down!
Oh!
Look at you! Behind him!
Not faced these guys in a long time.
This will help. Hold him!
Come at me.
Restrain him! You slow him down! Take him!
Get wrecked.
You are nothing!
Oh shit, he actually got me.
Restrain him!
Oh, you done.
Hold him!
You done, son.
Slow him down! Glory is ours!
I'm actually taking a fair amount of damage
Bring Bane! Restrain him!
from these occasional hits. Holy shit.
Make him wish he was dead! Hold him!
Come on, go down.
Slow him down!
Get wrecked.
Restrain him! Hold him!
Oh shit.
For Bane!
Fuck you. Dude, get wrecked. Sup?
Who are you?
They call me Bird!
Bane's lieutenant. Putting you away should set him back.
Bane already has all he needs. He will find you. He will break you.
I've already broken him.
Alfred, put in a call to GCPD. They want to bring these men in for questioning.
Oh, is it locked now? Yep. What the hell is down here? Is it just... What? Oh, okay. Oh. What the hell is this? Maybe there's something in the vent that I can get. Could be. Ah, hello. Nice. That was worth it, I think. Right, I need to get the hell out of here. Oh, there's another one up there. Holy shit. Get the hell out of this place. The music sucks. Okay, go.